channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. Today I am going to be showing you one of my favorite DIYs that I make using Thieves Cleaner. If you're not familiar with Thieves Cleaner, it is Young Living's household cleaner. It's essential oil infused with our Thieves oil. If you're not familiar with Thieves oil, go ahead, pause this video, do a quick Google search on how Thieves got its name, and it will tell you that it is an immune boosting oil and there's an old wives' tale around it. It's pretty cool. But needless to say, we use Thieves Cleaner for everything in our house, from the floors to the bathrooms to the kitchens to this desk, literally everything and anything. The thing that I love about it is it's super concentrated, so you really only need 1 to 2 capfuls. I do 2 when I clean the bathroom, to a 16-ounce spray bottle. This is when it's mixed up with some oils in it. This is supposed to be a caramel apple blend that I made. It smells really good for fall, but we use it on everything. So I'm going to show you today how to make your own soft scrub. Soft scrub was one of those products that I could never ditch, okay? It was my favorite thing. If you watched my last video, then you kind of know that I used it when I was at work for a certain project, because they have certain policies when you're working with a license. So of course I use what is recommended there. I do actually use Thieves Cleaner on all my shelving units and my countertops at work as well. But soft scrub is one of those products that I used all the time. I loved it so much because it always got things so clean. You know, those really hard stains on your sink, grime in the toilet, like it always cleaned everything. So that was a really hard one for me to ditch until I came across this DIY. All you need for this project is the Thieves Household Concentrate. You can buy it in this 14-ounce bottle. You can buy it in a larger size. I can't remember the ounce. And there's also a starter kit that gives you a whole bunch of these products that you can grab it in as well. I'm going to link those in a favorite down below in case you're interested in getting started with Thieves. I also recommend getting a bigger jar, mason jar like this. This is a 1 liter. Obviously a spoon to mix up the product. You'll need essential oil of your choice. I love using lemon because it helps with degreasing, so I like using that with this. I have 3 measuring cups. You need at least a 1.5 cups, which is right here, and then a 1/4 scoop. I could estimate. I'm being extra, it's fine. A bowl to mix it up in, and then of course your baking soda. I should have got scissors. We got scissors. All right. So the first thing you need is about a 1.5 cups of baking soda. You'll also find that these DIY recipes, they can be tweaked. So if you tend to like your soft scrub to be a little bit thicker, then you would obviously use more baking soda compared to the Thieves. If you like it a little bit more watery, then obviously you can add more Thieves into it. So you really can make this your own. Now we need a 1/4 cup of Thieves Cleaner. If you're wondering what Thieves smells like, it's like Christmas. It's a bunch of cinnamon, clove, actually I can tell you exactly, clove, lemon, cinnamon, rosemary, eucalyptus radiata. That's what's in there. The thing that I love about Thieves too is it's safe around kids. Keegan can help me clean. I don't have to worry about him getting the chemicals on his hands. I don't have to worry about getting them on mine. They're safe as you can possibly get them. In fact, if you look at some of the labels on Thieves products, it tells you that you can just dilute with water if swallowed or put into ice. So that just shows you how safe it is. Next is the essential oil of your choice. I'm going in with lemon. The recipe calls for about 15 to 20 drops when you're doing it this way. It's to each your own. If you want to add more lemon to it because you love lemon, add a little bit more. It's not going to hurt anything. But like I mentioned, lemon is a good degreaser, so that's why I choose to use it. I always go for 20.
So once all the ingredients are combined, it'll look like this, and then you just got to give it a stir. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what we do from there. This right here is where I find the consistency is the sweetest, but everybody is different and may have their own preferences.
Okay, it's time to jar her up. Alright, there you have it. There's your Thieves soft scrub.
This is what it looks like after using the Thieves scrub. I have it right here. I only used a small amount of it, but I cleaned that up, and then I always go over it one more time with the Thieves cleaner just to get any grit up off of the countertops. But it's shining, it's clean. I wish you could have seen it before, but I was too embarrassed to show you because one, it's been a minute, and two, I'll do an up close of like the sink. Like, it cleaned it. This is just, yeah. But I had makeup all over the place. It was disgusting, but it does a really good job. I like it.
I absolutely love this DIY. It's my favorite one that you can make for household cleaners. If this video was helpful, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll be sure to bring some more to you in the near future. If you're interested in getting started with Thieves, there's a link down below where you can get started. I do make a small commission off of that purchase, so if you do use it, I appreciate it. There's no additional cost to you. If you have a certain cleaner that you are looking to replace in your home, be sure to drop it down in the comments, and I will go ahead and make note of that and share some of those recipes with you in the very near future. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, and I will see you in the next.